Assalamualaikum and hello doctors. I NAJIHA from Group 5 will explain about our group project. Our group members consist of FATINFARHANA binti Muhammad NOOR AFFAF HANANI binti ZAKARIA, SALIMAH binti Muhammad NASIR, NAJIHA binti ABDULLAH, and Dayana binti Muhammad Yusri. So the title that we have chosen is Computer Aid Detection CAD of Liver Cyst based on using MRI image. So I IFFAH will explain the introduction of this project. Medical imaging such as X-rays, compute tomography, CT scans, magnetic resonance imaging MRI, and ultrasound is increasingly used in the identification and diagnosis of a wide range of disorders. However, due to a variety of subjective criteria as well as restricted analytic time and resources, it is rather typical for doctors to arrive at different interpretation, resulting in differing diagnoses. Furthermore, at different periods, a medical doctor may provide different diagnosis conclusions for the same collection of medical imaging. It includes liver segmentation and identification of liver lesions, which can be complex procedures that rely on the radiologist's knowledge of tissue and lesions. Thus, it is believed that this study will give more knowledge for the detection of the liver cyst in a more obvious and clear manner based on the MRI pictures that were presented. So basically, CAD is a technology which includes multiple elements like concept of artificial intelligence, AI, computer vision, and medical image processing. The main application of the CAD system is finding abnormalities in the human body. Hence, CAD systems are used to improve the quality of the image, which helps to interpret the medical image correctly and process the image for highlighting conspicuous spots. Next, I will pass to the next member for the further explanation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FATINFARHANA binti Muhammad Noor and I am from Group 4. So right now I'm going to do a video demonstration of MATLAB GUI for the title of Computer Aided Detection of Liver Cyst based on MRI image. So first thing first, we will go to this part which is coding for MATLAB GUI. So this coding comes out naturally after I did the design for the desired layout. Then it will goes like this after I completing my layout. And then for this part which is executes just before liver cyst MRI is made visible, so this is the part where we assign the handle for the MATLAB GUI and then stores handles in HObject application data. Next, for this part which is original liver cyst button press is executed. So in here, we declare the image 1 and image 2 as a global variable. And then, from this code which is in get file, this is the code for opening the image dialog box and return to the selected file, which is, this is the part where we will select the image that we want to do for the detection process. And then if there is no file is selected, this notification which is image is not found will be pop up. This is to inform the user that there is no file is selected. And then if there is a file selected, this code which is in read will read the image from the file and then it will convert the intensity image to the double precision one, which give a high quality image. Then the resulted image will be displayed as image 1 under the title of liver cyst MRI. Next, we will go to this part which is the execution of button press for filter image. So this is the repeated code, and for the handle access 6, we will do a conversion of true color image RGB to grayscale image, and then we will use median filter for filtering the noise in the selected image. So basically the noise that appear in this image will be salt and pepper noise, so that's why we use median filter. And then the resulted image will be displayed as image 2 under the title of filter image. So next, for the process of age detection, so this is the repeated code, same like before. And for handle access 7, which is the third image in GUI layout. So here the image will be converted into double, and this is the formula of edge detection, which is for 2 axes. There is a x-axis edge detection, so this is the formula for it, and another one is for y-axis edge detection, which I assigned to GY, and then it will calculate between these two edge detection, and the resulting image will be displayed as image 3 under the title of edge detection. The next process after edge detection is segmentation process. So this is where the image will be undergo this reshape coding. So the reshape coding is for changing the size and shape of an array, or we can call array in the image, and then it will be converted to double. For the k-means coding, it will use for clustering the multivariate data inside the image, and then the size and shape of the image will be adjusted using the reshape code. In this segmentation process, there is the removal of pixel in the binary image BW. So the result will be displayed as image 4 and under the title of segmentation process. Okay, so now this is the last process to detect the liver cyst MRI image. So we will use region probes to measure the solidity and area in the label region. So basically the label region is the part or region that is having the more dense region, or we can just say that the density of the region is above 0.5, and then we will assign the high dense or more dense region to the maximum area. Then this maximum area might have the liver cyst in it. So after that, we will find the liver cyst in the label area using this code. So the structure element that we use is square, and there will be an erosion and dilation process for the purpose of detecting the liver cyst in the label area. And then from this code, which is BW boundaries, so there will be traces the object's exterior boundaries. So the resulting image of this whole code will be displayed on the image 5 part, so under the liver cyst detection.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is BINTI Muhammad Yusri. My mentor number is A1901111. So just now we have heard a line-by-line coding explanation. So now it's my turn to show the result part. So here we have 5 different images of original liver cyst, and what we can say that based on the result obtained from all figures, the original liver cyst MRI image will be the input for this image processing analysis operation, which is here on the first original liver cyst on the first diagram. So we have 5 process here, which is we have the filtered image, we have edge detection, segmentation, and also the last one is detection. So the original liver image will then undergo a few processes for detecting the cyst in a more apparent and clear way. It can be seen that no cyst detected in the original image, which is also identical to the image produced on the filtered image session. In the filtering process, the original image is being filtered for the purpose of smoothing the image. So as we can see here on the filtered image, it's more clearly. So we have image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and also the last one is image 5. So as a result, the liver cyst is traced with the yellow outline is shown in the liver cyst detection image, and the process is repeatedly executed to detect other MRI images of liver cyst. So that's all from me. Next, I'll pass to my friend. Thank you.
Next, I will present the discussion. So from the filtered image, the texture of the object, which is the noise, is removed using the median filter. The objective of using this type of filter is to eliminate the salt and pepper noise that appear on the original image. Moreover, Only the median filter is able to discard the unwanted noise, which is impulse noise. Next, the edge detection process is where the outline of the project's texture will be pointed out. From the observation made, the features of the structure of liver are being recognized as well as the likelihood location of cyst will also be included in the outline part. This image result from edge detection later will be used for the segmentation process. The output image from the segmentation part depicts that there are some regions that will have holes. This marks that only important segments are processed after the segment subdivision. Thus, the operation proceeded from processing the important segments to the detecting liver cysts inside those segments. And that's all from me, and I will pass to the next member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good day, Doctor. My name is SALIMAH binti NASIR. My matric number CE190189. Today I would like to present about conclusion for our project. For conclusion for this project, we are successfully able to run the coding and get the accurate result. Therefore, we can say that all the objectives of this project are achieved. As the liver cyst is detected in a more appearance and clear way based on the MRI image. Next, the salt and pepper noise that appear on the original image by using a median filter is also eliminated. Last but not least, the features of the structure of liver as well as the likelihood location of cyst will also be included in the detection process, successfully recognized and traced. By the help of computer-aided detection, the liver cyst is detected very well and precisely. MRI without contrast cannot generally help in evaluating the given cyst condition. MRI with contrast are clearer than the MRI without contrast. Due to the high quality of image gathered by MRI without contrast, they are easily for a medical specialist to evaluate and interpret. Thus, there are a lot of benefits if we are using the computer-aided system, especially in medical imaging process and scope. That's all for our group. Thank you and have a nice day, Doctor.